PAs. Ever wonder which animal is the smartest? You might think of dolphins or chimpanzees, but what if I told you some of the most brilliant minds on our planet have feathers? Let's start with the undisputed champions of the bird world, corvids. In controlled experiments, they've shown the ability to solve complex multi-step puzzles that even some young children would struggle with. They can use tools, plan for the future, and even remember human faces for years, holding grudges against those who have wronged them. Some crows have even been observed dropping nuts onto busy roads, waiting for cars to crack them open, and then retrieving the tasty snack when the traffic light turns red. Stare. Brains might be small, but they are packed with neurons, sometimes even more than in a primate's brain of a similar size. This dense packing allows for faster and more complex information processing, from crafting tools to understanding abstract concepts. These birds are constantly shattering our expectations of animal intelligence, so next time you see a crow or a parrot, give it a little nod of respect. You're looking at one of the sharpest minds in the animal kingdom. Thanks for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing facts about our world. See you in the next one.